how to add markers and pins in Google Maps. Open your Google Maps app, and then you want to find the street you want to pin. So let's just pin this one, and then long hold on the screen where you want the pin. And as you can see on the screen on the map here, it is a red pin. And what you want to do now is to go down to the menu where it says Save and Add Label. These are the two buttons we are going to use. The first thing I want to show you is to add a label. So just tap Add Label, and here you want to name your label. I'm just going to name it Friend 1, and then you want to tap Done. And as you can see on the map here, it is a blue label. And if you want to save this label, you can tap the Save button on the menu. And here you can choose to create a new list, or you can add it to an existing list. So I have a list here called Friends. I want to add it to that list. And then I want to tap Done. And if you want to find this label or list, I will show you how to do that. If you see the menu at the bottom here, it is a tab called Saved. Just tap that Saved tab. And as you can see, inside the list here, inside the Friends list here, we have the label. And it's also under the list called Labeled. It's going there automatically. And if you want to if you want to delete, a label, you can just go inside the list, and then you want to tap the three dots down on the right corner, and then you want to tap Remove Place. And as you can see now, it's removed from your list. So this is how you add markers and pins in Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.